Just put your trust in my heart and meet me in paradise. Just put your trust. Just.
For so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Where's the flash?
No, it doesn't use flash.
Yeah, well, it no.
During video.
It looked dark though.
We start. Welcome to my villa tour. So here's the entrance. Hold on, I gotta close the door. Today we're in Bali, Indonesia. For my 22nd birthday. And then we have the conversation too. This is a nice view of the rice field. You can't see it right now, but you know, you'll see it. And then we have the outdoor dining area. This is for eating. Oh my God! Wow! And then if you look up here, we have one,
2, 3, 4.
4 bedrooms. Let's check that out before we go down. And this is a king room. Let's take a look. Close every door. And then, you know, the vanity. And then a nice bathroom. This is where you sit up, wash your face. Yeah. This is my girl's room, king bedroom. 2 twin beds.
Oh yeah, they been by the phone up there to just something to you on the inside. You're going to show up out there and
So yeah, we have 3 pillows, 2 big pillows.
this is nice.
Let's go.
That's that today.
There's pillows all around. We'll get into that. It comes with water. You know, their water here is nasty, so they need to refill our water every day. Okay.
What the hell is going on?
We don't need to be in here any longer. Come on. Letting the air out. Alright, so now we're gonna go. You like the thing they want?
I see one down.
Alright, we have another twin bedroom. You guys already seen what that looks like.
It's big thing.
This one is not unlocked yet.
Here, see here, this is it.
Oh, it's hot in here. Turn the AC on.
Them no say I just cheer away.
Yeah, and just prepare 3 rooms for each other.
Oh no, it's the same thing. And yes.
It's the same thing.
Unnecessary. Same with the twin bedroom. I gotta use the bathroom so weird. And yeah. You hear that?
Not the door them with key when you're done.
Very dark. It is hot. This is the last room. Okay. This is a king bed, I think, with a nice bathroom. You know, same old thing, low. Everything. Yeah. I don't like rugs. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Stars up. Yeah. Let's go.
But I decided to boy what we pay for them design. Say, I use it. Pay the team and Bob.
Me.
When gone.
Me is right there.
In my bone? What up?
Me.
It's gone up? I don't know when it's gone. Me alright with the bug, you know. I just try to think of, oh, excuse me. Let's take a try. Figure it out, just kill your blouse and skirt.
Ew!
It come in?
It's a caterpillar.
Sorry, you have things to edit. Maybe I kill out them bug here.
This is the view from the corner. And now we're gonna go to the gym area and yoga area. Here you go.
What?
No,
What?
I heard something.
You're bad. Jump, hop, skip. They just follow lights.
We're gonna do this in the morning. So there's a gym and a yoga area over there.
I want to see the place. Me I go because I have to see where we are sleep. Y'all sleep somewhere where you don't know? What's this? Okay, now. Who wants that hero love story anyway? Anyway. Cliche, 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 cliche. Who wants that? Beyonce! Sure. Anyway. Anyway. Cliche, 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 cliche.
Anyway, that's the end.
Misunderstood. Like hourglass, toast the cliche in the dark past. Oh, so them say tea or so. Candles over there. Them say filter. Them have the actual filter water, umbrella, and all these things. So filter water here. If you run out, you open this, put the new one there. But you have filter water, microwave, umbrella, toaster, condiments, glass, utensils, and excitement.
Alright, so now I'm gonna unpack. This part of the video is gonna be no face because I look a mess. But yeah, I'm really tired. So if I'm talking weird, it's probably because of the mask and because I'm tired. First things first, I'm the realist. Stop. I'm gonna make the whole word fill it. And I'm still in my those OG bands, like I'm giving lessons in physics right now. If you wanna fit like me, jump below, pick it up just like me. I ain't even gonna on my wrist. I also want to spray my room with bug spray to make sure no bugs. You know, I don't do bugs. I do not like bugs. Lizards I'm okay with, but yeah, no bugs. Yeah, day 1 in Bali tour, 22nd birthday tour. So Drake mask off, and I just opened my luggage. One thing about it, when you out in a foreign country, keep your luggage closed. I learned this the hard way, and I accidentally brought a bug home with me that was very sickening, disgusting, trifling. Yeah, just keep it closed. And I got some of this. I'm looking for my real bug spray. We got some permethrin or whatever it's called. So I'm gonna just, for now, I'm gonna just like spray the floor, especially
Embarrassing.
I'm gonna spray the floor and just around my suitcase. I remember when I was in Egypt, I had sprayed some on my bed and I was coughing all night. Please don't do that. I was trying to be safe, and that wasn't the way to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go find the permethrin, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna wear. Honestly, I'm not really like a naturally outgoing, happy person, talkative person, but I'm happy, and this is nice. So yeah. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh, it's a spider in the tub. Or that's not even a spider. What is that? A mosquito? Yeah, no. Everything gets sprayed.
Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. And I know that there's more than this. Yeah.
Got my suitcase, all my perfumes and oils and stuff. Purse, jacket, what I'm wearing to the airport when I come back. And yeah, hopefully this week is gonna be super duper fun. I'm gonna put on my clothes and open this up. Show you guys the sunrise, charge my thing, everything. Anyways, I'm super tired. About to open this up before I go to sleep, so I can wake up to the sunrise and everything. Leave it like that, cause they're gonna come in the morning, give me a floating breakfast and everything. So yeah, I think that's good. See the sunrise and everything. All right, bye. For real, I might show y'all, I might not, cause I gotta charge my camera. All right, bye.
I know it'll fade till I have you. I know there's more to the pain I'm feeling now. I know there's more to the heartache all around. Somehow I can see it shining like.
To Wednesday if you want, but
Wednesday would be the best day.
yeah. So just do it anytime you want. Never
I mean, I want stuck it on me.